Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create Gmail account. First of all, open your browser, then go to the top browser URL and type www.gmail.com and then press enter. After a while, next page will be open and then click on create an account depending on your personal needs. Select personal or business type. It's up to you. You can choose any one of them. I'm going to select myself. Now in this page, you have to put your first name, last name, your username. Your username will be your email address. Your email address should have only letters like A to Z and numbers like 0 to 9 and periods only. So first of all I will write my first name, then create your username, then create your password. If you finish, click on next. Here you will write your phone number. You will write your active phone number correctly. Then recovery email, it's optional, you can leave it blank. Then put your date of birth and select your gender. If you finish, click on next. Drag your bottom page and click on agree. I agree. Congratulations, you have created your Gmail account. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.